Hey, what's up guys? Different setup today. I just basically came home from the hospital and unfortunately I do not have access to my regular recording gear, and also I'm just in a huge amount of pain. I just got like 100 injections of like stem cells and peptides directly into my wounds. Zero anesthetic, zero painkillers, zero numbing cream. Just like took it as a man, like took it like a man. So yeah, unfortunately, I'm still not able to, come back fully. But uh, today's a news day, and the setup today is super clear. So I wanted to at least take some time to record this video, even though the production quality is really shit. Even though the production quality is really terrible, like, just wanted to get this out for you guys regardless, because today is looking actually pretty promising, even though Christmas usually pretty bad. So to kick things off, like, I'm not gonna dilly-dally too much. Right now we have a bearish daily bias, which means we're going to be looking for shorts. And in terms of the hourly chart, we are looking at a bearish fair value gap over here, and we have a bearish order block over here. So those are going to be the two levels that we are going to want to take advantage of. And do pardon me, this iPad that I'm using at the moment is brand new, so I'm still in the midst of like figuring out how to do this. That's pretty cool, having the ability to just record this kind of like in a portable fashion. Granted, I don't have a face cam, and granted, have I didn't even know that the iPad doesn't come with a like the pen. I just kind of assumed that it would. So yeah, rookie mistakes. It's my first iPad in my life. Cut me some slack. But otherwise, yeah, those are the two like PD arrays that you're going to want to look for price to return back into. And the reason why today is a good trading day is because we have news. We have news specifically at 8:30 a.m. later. And that means you're going to want to look for price to get into either one of these PD arrays between the hour leading up to the news, which means 7:30 to 8:30, and potentially for the trade setup to still be present from 8:30 to 9:30. And if you get the trade setup at that time, basically if you come into these PD arrays and you start seeing a 5-minute changes date of delivery, then you're going to want to take advantage of that. Now, I'm just going to go into the 5-minute chart just to show you how this might realistically look like. There is also a chance where price could just kind of start dipping from this point onwards, which is perfectly fair as well. So either you come into the PVOA around the hour before news to the hour after news, you start breaking lower with your 5-minute changes state of delivery. That's going to be where you take an entry, and you're going to target for 2R, potentially even lower, or you just straight up have a momentum trade, basically for price to start trading lower. By the time you watch this video, if something like this happens, this is already good enough to trade towards the downside. Now I know that Christmas week is usually pretty low probability, but the fact that we have news and we have time frame alignment in the sense that the daily bias and the hourly bias, everything's kind of aligning, is a really positive sign for the fact that, yeah, usually it's pretty bad, but based on these reasons, today could be pretty promising. And as usual, I will be posting all of my trades on Twitter. Like, I've already started updating you guys on Twitter. And of course, like, if anyone is in Blueprint, I've already started updating Blueprint hours ago when I was still, at the hospital, basically. But yeah, guys, this period has been super rough. Really appreciate all of your well wishes. I've read through every single one of your comments, and I've replied to every single one of your comments. Really appreciate you guys sticking through with me. This is genuinely one of the most painful periods I've ever had in my life, and like the pain is just constant 24/7, whether I'm sitting or standing. Like, I'm basically just not moving anywhere without painkillers. And so yeah, do expect the next few days to be a little bit slower. I may or may not record some videos because I'm spending like 4 to 5 hours a day in healthcare facilities. But hey, I'll still try my best. And yeah, I just really appreciate you guys sticking with me, and I love you guys. And Merry Christmas, guys. Cheers.